first squirrel. Man, he was close. Had to turn the camera on and everything. Oh man, where'd he land here? There he is. Yeah, I hit him pretty good. Nice gray squirrel. A baby. Hit him right in the front end though, perfect. Hunting with a Franchi Semi 20 gauge. Improved cylinder just so I take closer range shots because it's a wide angle camera. Normally I'd hunt with a full choke for squirrels. Gonna be hunting the rest of the morning at least. Walking around. Might hit some other spots too. And take this guy home, save the tail for a jig and fly tire, and also save the meat to eat. Got him, but I think did he fall in that crook there? I saw him fall, but not all the way. What happened? I swapped out for a full choke because I've been seeing more spooky squirrels. I swear he like got stuck in that nook there or something. I didn't see him fall past that. Take a look here quick, but and just garbage. He got stuck up there. Shoot. Yeah. I don't see him though. Oh man, that's super lame. I could see him, I could shoot him out, but is that him? Heard something in here. Oh, it is him. Nice. Good deal. I just didn't see him fall. Give him a stomp in the head there. Awesome. Another gray squirrel. Can't believe I didn't see him fall. I swore he got stuck in the nook there. He must have just like jumped or something, I don't know, or fell behind a branch. Not really sure. Number 2 though. Sweet. And day's still young, might get 1 or 2 more, who knows. We'll see how it goes in the next spots. This spot's about used up. Oh man. Weird hunt so far. Seen some spooky ones. You know, this place doesn't get a lot of pressure, the next places do, so I'm gonna stick with full, but surprised how spooky they've been. You know, they'll remember me from year to year. It's weird. Even on the first hunt of the year. In a spot where no one else hunts. But another good one. I'm gonna take them home. Save the meat. Also save the tail. I hunted this afternoon. Saw some more. Had a few more good shots, but for different reasons I couldn't turn the camera on in time, so ended up with 2 today.